That was the tour to Certaldo. This is a beautiful city, and it's an ancient town, and it has a castle here, and the queens and kings used to live here, and every territory in Firenze, I think they used to be protected by queens and queens way back to the ages I'm talking about. And Via del Castello. Okay, come on, let's walk.
Qua so che c'è un ristorante, c'è voluto con Massi la roba.
I like this symbol. Oops. Walk inside. I really like this city. Molto carino. I like this. Via Val, Valdracca. Secondo me non c'è niente qua.
No.
Oops. Wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you talk about a blue sky and all I can see. Just another lemon tree. Ooh. I wonder how. Ooh, I'm gonna take a 360 angle. Ooh. You guys are with me, Maddie PX, and I'm in Certo Alto, a paese vicino Firenze. A very beautiful city, a very beautiful town with long history. I love this mirror. Oh, look at that. You see there? Am I able to see my face on? I really like mirror reflections. Ooh, let me take my picture. Choop. I jumped because I'm not that tall enough to take my picture. I don't know if I'm coming. But still, I'm gonna give you a pose. Hello. Ciao. Oh, that was wonderful. Oh, yeah, here. This is beautiful.